In this video, we're going to talk about high resolution logos and images, what they are, why we need them, and how to source them. So, the first two questions are what is a high res logo and why does it matter? The image on the screen now is technically a low res image of the Starbucks logo. You can see that the edges are a little bit fuzzy, and if you were to use this one on your deal toy, your final product would likely be very blurry and pixelated. The one on the screen now is a high-res version of the same logo with much cleaner and crisper lines. If this one was printed on your deal toy, the final product would be perfect with no print issues. So how do we source a high-res logo? You're just going to type into Google whatever logo you need, and you can see in the bottom right-hand corner when you click on an image, you'll see a number right there. That stands for the number of pixels wide and tall. You want a high number there because, like we said before, the higher number of pixels per inch, the higher res your logo will be. An easy way to do this is to click Tools and go to Size, and then click Large. This ensures that all of the images you're seeing are high resolution. As we can see here, this one is very crisp and clear. Another great tool to use is the Color and Transparent tool in Google. This will ensure that whatever images you're looking at are not only high res, but also have no background. So if you were to use this on a deal toy, you would not have to worry about there being a white background. You can tell that all of these are transparent because of the white and gray checkerboard background. And that is how you source a high res and transparent logo.